So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check the earnings per share of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is select a company or a stock of your choice. So I'm just going to go ahead here and select a company which is Canadian. I'll go ahead and type in Enbridge. So Enbridge right here. Now, once you have the company selected, or in this case, I have Enbridge selected, what I want you to do is just to scroll down to the very bottom to where it says financials right here. And while you're here, there's income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. You want to press on the income statement right here to get a drop down. Now you can press quarterly or annual. So for example, I'll just press annual right here. And if you just scroll down a little bit here, you can see the stat earnings per share represents the company's profit divided by the outstanding shares of its common stock. So in this case, 2.8 is the earnings per share, which is up 0.36% on an annual basis. On a quarterly basis, the numbers look a little bit different. So you can kind of play around with it, see what you want with different companies or different stocks, but that is pretty much how you guys can check or how you guys can view the earnings per share of a stock here on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.